Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into setting up a monthly budget tracker in Airtable. This is your go-to guide for 2025 and beyond. Our first step is creating a new base. Head over to Airtable, click the Add a Base button, and let's select Start from Scratch. This gives us a clean slate to work with. We do this because it's crucial to have a unique space for our budget tracker, separate from other projects. Now that we've done that, let's move on to creating our necessary fields. Name the first column Expense Category. Add more fields by clicking the plus button, and let's name them Date, Amount, and Notes. The reason we do this is to have a clear and organized way to track where our money is going, when we spent it, and any additional information we might need. Next up, we need to customize our fields. Click on the small arrow next to each field name and choose the right field type. For Expense Category and Notes, select Single Line Text. For Date, choose Date. And for Amount, go with Currency. This helps us because each field type has its own functionalities that will aid us in data entry and analysis. Following this, let's create categories. Go back to the Expense Category field. Click on the arrow and change the field type to Single Select. Now you can add your categories like rent, groceries, utilities, and so on. The reason we do this is to group our expenses, making it easier to spot trends and cutbacks. Now let's see this in action. Start filling in your expenses as they occur. For example, if you spent $50 on groceries on January 1st, 2025, you'll put groceries in the Expense Category, 2025 in the date, $50 in the amount, and any relevant notes. This step is essential as it's how you'll keep your tracker updated and accurate. Lastly, it's time to set up views. Click on Grid View on the top left and select Group By. Choose to group by Expense Category. This allows you to see your total spending per category, which is super useful for budgeting. And there you have it. You've just set up your own monthly budget tracker in Airtable. Remember, consistency in maintaining this tracker is key to manage your finances effectively. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to guiding you through more practical tutorials in the future.